Alright guys, we're here getting the truck gassed up at the gas station. Figured I'd do a little intro while I have a little bit of lighting, but we're here with Alan and two other guys, Patrick and Brady. Brady's the one with the rotor housing. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and just pause this video and go watch that video, because that's just too funny not to watch. But like I said, me and Alan, and basically I might turn y'all on here when we're driving down the road, but for the most part, next thing you see is probably going to be cooking and then walking in the blind. We got some food here in the Yeti, some deer burgers.
Stay tuned.
We got all the gear, we got the decoys. Just got to get down to the coast and shoot some birds. See y'all.
My second time.
Spicy deer sausage. You're right, it does have a little kick on the aftertaste.
Alright, cool. I told you I'm sitting here just like, they're probably all on my neck and my forehead.
They are, dude.
Struggling. Kill it! Oh, there's a bunch of them. Kill him! Kill him!
Take it. Oh, that one right there. I killed that last one. That one's mine.
Good job, guys.
Are those mallards?
That last one's cool now, definitely.
That one that just left?
There's three over there.
There's four over there. We got four.
I only shot one time.
I shot twice, and I know on that first one who shot it into that.
I shot
two,
the
first two that fell. I shot into those two.
I shot into them too.
All right, so let's go find these birds. All right. Oh, that one right there. I killed that last one. I found one, Brady.
Shh, don't move, don't move, don't move. I know, I see him. See him, I see him. Shh, don't move, don't move, don't move. I know, I see him. See him, see him, see him.
This is what we got so far. We got 3 Gadwalls and 2 wood ducks in a hooded with 1 more drake down that I gotta go find. He tried to play the hide and go seek game and so far he's winning, but he'll die, I promise. But so far so good. We're gonna stick it out and wait for this fog to clear up and hopefully we can get on some more ducks. So far, great morning.